Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify EV charging rebates using Charge Up to plugin, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify EV charging rebates using Charge Up to plugin, begin by visiting the Charge Up to plugin website. Once on the home page, look for the search bar. Type in your location to find available rebates in your area. Next, navigate to the rebates section of the website. Here, you will see a list of available EV charging incentives. Select the rebate program that interests you. Carefully read the eligibility criteria for that program. Gather the necessary documentation, such as proof of purchase and installation details. Locate the application form for the selected rebate. Fill out the application form with accurate information. Attach the required documents to your application. Double-check that all details are correct before submission. Submit your application through the provided method either online or via mail. Make a note of any confirmation number or receipt you receive. Monitor your email for updates regarding your application. If further information is required, be prepared to respond promptly. Once approved, expect your rebate to be processed within the specified timeframe. Follow any additional instructions provided in the approval notification. Congratulations, you have successfully verified your EV charging rebate using Charge Up to plugin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.